Hey Jen,
Hi, Deborah.
how you doing?
Awesome. Great for a Thursday morning.
Yeah, I know, right? Me too. It's been a crazy week. I can't believe it's already February.
Oh my God. Yes, love. The months of love.
Month of love.
I'm
Yes, it
already wearing
is.
the pink.
Yes, it is. Hey, you know what? I just wanted to get online and talk to people about the Women's Real Estate Network and how we're growing. And who better to talk to besides you, considering the event you had this
Mhm.
past month in January. So tell everybody about that.
Oh my God, Deborah. I have to share with you that I was a little bit nervous, right? Because after 3 years being out there, now WREN LA chapter has been growing to probably almost 4 times what it used to be. We're talking about that we have over 100 RSVP for a monthly event, where that was our big event like 3 years ago, right? And now we are looking to keep growing not only in LA, but now we have 5 chapters. And the feedback that we are getting from the women is like, it was amazing. It was inspiring. I learned so much. I never went to a network event where women share freely and they really want to see me succeed. And just having that impact in women's life is just is a privilege. But I think the entire community is feeling that empowerment, is feeling that fire in our events. So January was an amazing event. The speaker blew the house, and we really have a lot of fun, and we learn a lot about how to flip houses, as one of those strategies.
Right, absolutely. Iris Veneration is a master at it. And so listening to her speak is always incredible. And it's just really cool that women can come together and learn from each other, collaborate, network, and go further together, which is pretty much what we plan for our big annual event, Ignite Your Fire Within, which is in March. I'm so excited, March 23rd. Here in Studio City at the Sportsman's Lodge, we're going to have Ignite Your Fire Within. And Jen is actually one of our speakers. She's going to be on one of our panels there. It's going to be an amazing day. We're going to look at a general overview of all kinds of different things that women are doing in real estate. And yes, I said women. There's only women on the stage. There's only women speakers. It's going to be fun, and it's going to be fun and feminine and empowering, and it's going to be a lot of education, which is really great, right? I mean, where did you get your education in the beginning, Jen?
I actually went to Robert Kiyosaki's program, Rich Dad Poor Dad, that now is Elite program. But what is the most amazing thing is that the women that one day were there, most of the trainers were men, but there was a few women that were teaching about real estate. And those women, I look at them today and we get to do business together, to have conversations together. And I have learned so much from every woman I come in contact with to do real estate, and also how to balance other things in life that we don't get to talk to man. And it's interesting because sometimes I get called to be like an example for them on who you can become in the real estate industry. And I have guys asking me, can we go to the event? Can we go to the event? And I'm like, you know what? It's only women who are there, and you're gonna be taught by a woman, and you're gonna be sharing knowledge and experiences. And we want women there because it's a completely different kind of energy. So it's I'm looking forward for it, because every woman that came from from the past event, from Ignite event, Deborah, all of them, either they're doing deals together, they are learning from each other, and they might be newbies that they just are looking their way to get into real estate. But also we have other women that they have been doing it for over 20 years, and even they felt like, oh my God, I have to up my game. I see this great developer talking about developing a hotel in Belize. I need to up my game, and I want to learn from her. And the beautiful thing is, like, there's no that competition, because we have this collaboration mindset, and having a women sharing their secrets in a panel, that's been the most mind-blowing thing you will ever see. So even when I went to a really good training to learn how to do real estate, being in this community has made such a big difference, not only on my business, but the relationship I'm building with all of these women.
So, I think that's true for me too. And I think one of the things that has been really empowering for me is that seeing other women who are really rocking it at real estate has given me the confidence that I can too. I know that sounds crazy, but I mean, most of the time when I was going to real estate club meetings or any kind of real estate events, they're predominantly men. And I've learned a ton of great information from men. But it's really interesting to see like other women who are kicking butt and see what they're doing. And then you kind of go, oh, she's bringing it to the next level. I can bring it to the next level, right? It like gives you this confidence, like, oh, okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I know that a lot of people have heard my story. I've been a flipper here in Los Angeles for a long time, and they've heard my story about becoming a developer. Well, that's all because I met a woman developer, right? It opened my mind because every developer I'd met was a man, and I thought, oh, it's kind of a man's world, and it's not. Guess what, ladies? It's not. And I think it's really great for people who are just starting out. They get to get exposure to a lot of different things and get to be able to see what really is involved in doing a bunch of different things, whether it's notes or whether it's flipping or whether you're buy and hold for cash flow, whatever it is you're doing. And so that you get an idea of where it is you want to go, what your outcome is. And then for those that, are more seasoned, I think you're right, Jen. It's about upping your game and, seeing other women out there that are rocking it and going, oh, wow, okay, it's time to, up my game and get it going a little more. I just can't wait. It's March 21st or 23rd. It's a Saturday afternoon. And if anybody listening out there wants more information, go to igniteyourfirewithin.com. igniteyourfirewithin.com, and you'll see a list. It's not even the full list of all the speakers, but you'll see a list of all the speakers. You'll see an agenda. We're going to have a great time. It's only $149. And right now we have a special going on. It's a bestie special. So it's buy one, get another ticket for half off. It's your BFF special. So WREN BFF can be used in the promotion code, and you can buy one and get one half off. And you and a girlfriend can get educated and financially free, right? and just have a good time, right? And find out more about what real estate investing is all about. Yeah, it'll be fun.
Yeah, hope to see you there. Don't miss that event.
Thanks for watching, and we'll have more videos coming live to you this afternoon. And it's Thursday afternoon. We're interviewing Christina Suter from the Phoebe Network. She's also going to be one of our speakers at Ignite, and we're going to interview her around 1 o'clock and get her point of view on some of the information she's going to share then. So join us then, and see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.